Guys, your boy King Taxi. You're back at it again with another man. We're having some fun. It's a whole lot of gas. About to get straight into it. I'm trying not to get copyrighted, so I'm gonna talk a little bit loud. But we're getting the videos done. We're getting you guys knocked out. I'm trying to get you guys to see all of the models that we have, to see all of the content we got coming. YouTube's been trying to do us so as far as community guidelines, but we're trying to stay above that. We're trying to stay away from copywriting and all of that. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna get straight to it. We're gonna have some fun. Let's do it. That shit. All right, I'm using a Godax AD200 for the flash. I have a beauty dish set on that as well. I have my Sony A7S III, and we got some jazz tunes blasting type shit. So we're getting straight to it. You know what I mean, guys? A7S III with a 28 to 70. Yes, it's a kit lens. I'm a little bit cheap, not gonna lie, but we're rocking that bit. Yeah, it's jazz. It should be straight. That's why I put it on. But all right. So we have our model set up, and as you guys can see, I'll put some of the photos on the video as well. You guys can see how these are coming out beautiful with the skin tones. I have it bumped up to a 1/32. I'm probably gonna bump it down a little bit, 1/64. So you can see you gotta pull back some of that light. Push that back. And every time you set up a beauty dish, you always want to have the top of this going to the top of the model's head, this going to the bottom of the model's feet, so that whenever the light spreads out, it covers over her whole body. But the beauty dish is supposed to be focused just on her face, so we're going to knock that out just in her face, trying to make sure that that gets there. Yeah, make sure it's good. Good, don't move. Hold it, hold the light a little bit.
Yes.
It is alright. I think I went too far down, so I'm gonna go back to 1/60, 1/32 again, because 64 is too dark for me. I need to replace the light though. There we go. Yeah.
It feels awkward.
That feels awkward?
Yeah, it felt awkward. So I'm pretty sure it's awkward.
Sometimes it still feels awkward though. Don't fall. Hold it. Go back.
That's what it's on.
You can come forward.
It's the socks and then
The sock plus the, yeah, I thought about that, you know what I'm saying, a little piece. It's like you're trying to
This is a large, got the little girls.
Oh man.
Yeah, I just
I'm bugging with it. So for everybody asking, the reason that, I don't know if you guys can see the floor or not, I don't know which camera's gonna be on, but the reason that I have this on the floor is simply so that way if the model were to lay down, the wheels from them wouldn't go on the floor, then it doesn't dirty my backdrop or rip the backdrop as well. This is at Home Depot, it's $54. I know, bro, it's kind of small, $54. I got a bigger one, but that bigger one's not even double the price, it's 3 times. Shit is $170, bro. So 170 is wild to me, and I feel like that's out of the box for real. But I got that Godax the AD200 I'm bumping on right there. I have a fill light too for my Godax AD200. That one I have right now on 64. It's just like adding a little bit of extra light. I have a Neewer 6600 right here. This is also casting a little bit of extra light onto her back. All this comes from her back, and then over here we're having minimal light come to the front. Let's see. Don't move like that. Don't move. Put that back light out a little bit more. Right there. Oh, yep. When you do that, there. All right, now when you switch your head down a little bit, now open it up a little bit for me. There we go, right there. All right, take a little break. Set this up real quick. Flip your straps. Like straighten them. Yeah, there we go. Boom. Let's try the next one. There we go. Yeah. All right. Good. When you hold him again, but I want to see it. Yeah, there you go.
I'm trying to suck it in. Goddamn.
Suck it. Hold it. I want you to do that same pose you did before with the leg back. Yeah. Turn a little bit more this way, other way. Opposite. Right there. And hold the chin back. I like this side because your hair is over on that side. So. Don't move. So I'm moving the beauty dish and just kind of trying to keep it where I want the light to be casted. So I want the light to be casted on the side of everybody's side of everybody. You gotta move the beauty dish to that side. Keep it at the same height because she's not shrinking or getting to be taller, so it's gonna stay at the same height. No. Hold it.
Great. Why do I have a light?
I was wondering that, but I allowed you to do your thing.
Taxi, I'm not.
No, I know.
I'm literally.
No, I know. I was thinking that.
I'm finishing.
No, I thought about that. We're back, you guys. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, technical difficulties.
That was a technical, y'all. Why the fuck nobody told me I had a light? I was fucked out.
We're doing all great shit, you guys.
Yeah,
for everyone wondering on YouTube, this is a Calvin Klein promotion or shit. Calvin Klein sponsored us type shit.
I don't really care. We're gonna try it.
That one light gonna do it, you guys. I'm telling you. Just Godax AD200, man. That bit like $4 by itself, bro.
Have you done anything new? Tried any new foods? Listen to new music? Or taken a new route? The good news is, the day isn't over.
Hey Lexus, turn it up.
And the reinvented Lexus RX is definitely something new, with heart-pounding design, intelligent technology, and the first ever RX 500H performance hybrid. Never lose your edge with the all-new Lexus RX. Click the banner to discover more. Experience amazing at your Lexus dealer.
I be trying to look into it, but it don't work. I be looking I'm pissed off. I do like this. Bye, Ron. I have a Godax. If I can see how
This one?
Yep.
Not that. But like where you touch it,
I'm off. That's
like that. Like that.
just look weird.
Looks better to the natural.
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it. I don't need it.